Hi everyone! Today we are going to make an Arabic dish called kunafa. This version is made with banana. To make the kunafa, we need 400 grams of kunafa dough, 2 bananas sliced, half a cup of mozzarella, a can of cream, a quarter cup of butter, and for the sugar syrup, we need 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water, and a squeeze of lemon. And for the decorations, we're going to use crushed pistachio nuts. First, melt the butter. Pour it over the kunafa and spread it well. Now mix it. Take half of it and put it on a well-greased pan. Then spread it well. Now spread the bananas. Now spread the mozzarella on top. Now place the cream on top. Now the cream has been spread. Put the rest of the kunafa dough onto the cream. Press it and flatten it. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade and bake the kunafa for around 25 minutes. While the kunafa is baking, let's make the sugar syrup. First pour in the sugar and then the water. Squeeze some lemon into it and then cook it until it thickens. The sugar syrup is ready. Take the kunafa out of the oven and pour the syrup onto it. Now flip the kunafa onto a serving tray. Now pour some more syrup. Now decorate it with the pistachio. Now let's enjoy the kunafa. Really good. This is where I got the recipe from. It's from this old newspaper. Look at the date. November 6, 2003? I wasn't even born. We did some slight modifications to the recipe though. Please do try the recipe. I can't stop eating it. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Hey. Hey, stop!